Hi, my name is Desi Bartlett, and I live on the island of Oahu. And as so many of us grieve for the people that we've lost on the island of Maui, I think that it's important that we take a moment to connect to our hearts and connect to our feelings. So I'm going to ask you to simply have a seat and get comfy. If you'd like to join me for meditation today, it'll be a meditation on loving kindness. I've lived in Hawaii for 3 years now, and I am not native to this land, but I love this land and I feel so connected. And I feel like it's our responsibility for people who have moved from the mainland or from anywhere else in the world who moved to this very special place to learn a little bit about it. And Hawaii is the 50th state in the United States. It's been a state for about 64 years now. And I still have people who ask me, when are you moving back to the States? And I'm like, I live in the United States. And additionally, this land, in addition to being part of America, also has a beautiful, long, rich native tradition. And so I looked up Maui. Maui is one of the demigods, and he's all about playfulness and lightheartedness, and he has sort of like that trickster, jokester energy. And in the same way, when you see a child who is a trickster or a jokester who has been traumatized, you can't help but feel it. Sorry. So let's take a moment to check in with our hearts and to check in with our feelings. Close your eyes. Slow your breath down, and as you slow your breath down, slow your thoughts down. Bring your attention and awareness to the heart space. And as you connect into the energy of your heart, imagine that there's a beautiful light that's shining in all directions, to the front, to the back, to the sides, up and down. And it's as though the light in the heart is illuminating the entire body. And so if someone were to see you right now, to take a picture of you, or simply to encounter your energy, they would feel lifted. They'd feel a little lighter energetically. And from this space of being really luminous, let's send our love and our healing prayers to all of the families, all of the beautiful people on the island of Maui, those who have lost loved ones, those who have lost their homes. And I'm going to ask you to send loving kindness to everyone, to all of the beautiful volunteers who have stepped up to take care of one another in the community. To all of the beautiful children who are processing what's happened. Send your loving kindness to the community leaders, those who have been elected, but those who have stepped into their voices. We'll be here for just a few more moments. Continue to send loving kindness. And now send that loving kindness to the island itself, to the land. To the waters that surround it. And so it is. You can bring your awareness back into this space, back into your body. Thank you for joining me for this meditation. I encourage you to give what you can. I will list a couple of different ways that you can help the people on the island of Maui, ways that you can help the families directly. There are pages that have been vetted. Additionally, if you have the opportunity to actually go there and volunteer in the future when it's needed, please consider that as well. In the meantime, I thank you so very much for sharing your heart, your light, and your loving kindness. Namaste.